Hey there, friends, it's Amy, and Black Friday Early Access with Norwex is officially live. It runs now through the end of the month. I want to give you a quick walkthrough. We're going to call this a lightning round so you can see what's available, shop the best deals, and get what you want before things start selling out. There will be some items that sell out. So I'm just letting you guys know, like some of them might sell out sooner than others. So let's jump into this early access bundle deals that Norwex have. These are limited edition. The prices are amazing. They're up to 40% off. So I'm going to put it on the screen. The first one is the holiday hand wash set. It's $39.49, gives you 40% off. It's a forever favorite for our guest baths, our bathrooms, teacher gifts, you name it. It's awesome. Great set. Next one is one of my favorites, sink mats, $21.99. They're brand new, great for holiday kitchens and bathrooms. They're super absorbent. They have many, many uses for your sinks. Take them when you travel. It's a great to have a clean spot for your toothbrushes, your contacts, things like that when you're on the go. Any of your personal care items. They're also non-slip and they're washable in the washing machine. They stay in place. Next up, we have the Channel Textured Kitchen Towel Set in Pomegranate. $25.99, 30% off, fast drying, super absorbent, and a really great color. Next, we have a household package, $45.99, so we're saving 30%. It's got your classic EnviroCloth, window cloth dusting mitt, great for gifting. And if you buy it for someone, let me know. I will give you an insert to put in the gifts. Next, we have a limited edition EnviroScrubs, come in these 3 holiday colors, $21.49 for all 3. I love these. They are so useful around the house just for general cleaning. Next, we have a kids holiday bundle, $52.99, 35% off. It's a great gift for little ones. It comes with a kids hooded towel, a matching malachite body and face cloth, and this Owl Pet to Dry hand towel, which removes bacteria from your hands and the eyes glow. So cute. Next, you can get chenille runners, 40% off, so for $95. So if this is an item you've been wanting for a while, now might be the time. You can get it in graphite or oatmeal. These are so useful. I have them in a few places around our house. Machine washable, they're good. Next, we have a day and night hydrating set, 30% off. Clean, effective hydration. Get our winter skin nice and moisturized. The hydrating moisturizer, I love using that in the morning. The night cream is great for detoxing and repairing our skin while we sleep. Great gift for any gal in your life who wants a little TLC. Next, we have the Winter Essentials Skincare Set, $104, saving about 30% off. This is a great gift to get someone started with skincare. If you have someone in your house who's been using your Norwex skincare, maybe they need their own set. You get the hydrating moisturizer, cleansing facial powder, and the eye cream, or this is just a great way to get started. Next, we have a basic package. It's $34.99. You get the limited edition EnviroCloth and this nutcracker window cloth. So cute. I know you've been waiting for this one. Malachite counter cloths, $19. We're saving a lot. These are festive. They're beautiful green. I love the color. Pair them with the cranberry to have the perfect holiday setup in your counter cloth box. And when you spend $125 or more right now, you're also going to receive 6 skincare samples totally free. Plus, you can grab the Norwex gift bags. There are holiday gift bags in small, medium, or large with any bundle that I just went through on this holiday access, right? And that's not all. We have some huge deals running all month long. If you haven't shopped them already, you still have time to do that. We have the 40% off November celebration items, lots of great giftable bundles. There's a bath towel that's 40% off, so for $31. Matching hand towels and body and face cloths. Power cleaning paste, great gift for a guy. 40% off, $22. Great stocking stuffer. Even for a young man who's like getting into cars and garage and things like that. Also kids bath sponges, $6. You can get the complete skincare set for 40% off. It's called the Nordic Glow Kit. There's just a lot. So make sure you check that out. I'll include that as well in this information. So also the pillowcases, they're one of my favorite things. I love Norwex pillowcases. Every bed in the house has them. They're $31 for a double king set, and so they're great. Also, our spend and save this month are really great little giftable items, or keep them for yourself. If you spend $99 or more, you can grab the snowman Pet to dry hand towel, removes bacteria from our hands. Kids love it. Stick it in somebody's stocking. They're going to be obsessed with it. We also have the holiday dryer balls. You get a set of 3 for $20 when you do a $125 purchase. Plus, you can get the ultra plush body and face packs in the malachite color for with a purchase of $175. So these are fun add-ons as well. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need help building a cart. I hope you love the specials from Norwex. Thank you for supporting my business. I'll see you guys soon. Let me know if you have questions. Bye, guys.